Setting margins. We can use the margin attributes to set the margins for an HTML element. Attribute, description, values, example. Margin sets all the margin properties in one declaration. Margin bottom, margin left, margin right, margin top. Margin 10 pixel, 5 pixel, 5 pixel, 10 pixel. Margin bottom sets the fixed bottom margin of an element in pixel, point, centimeter, etc. Length default value is 0 pixel. Margin bottom 1 centimeter. Margin left sets the left margin of an element in pixel, point, centimeter, etc. Length default value is 0 pixel. Margin left 2 centimeter. Margin right sets the top margin of an element in pixel, point, centimeter, etc. Length default value is 0 pixel. Margin right 10 pixels. Margin top sets the top margin of an element in pixel, point, centimeter, etc. Length default value is 0 pixel. Margin top 3 centimeter. Margin attributes. The margin attribute is used to set all the margins left, right, top and bottom in one declaration. Look at the following examples. Margin 8 pixel, 6 pixel, 5 pixel, 10 pixel. Here, top margin is 8 pixel, right margin is 6 pixel, bottom margin is 5 pixel and left margin is 10 pixel. If you write the margin property as margin 15 pixel, 10 pixel, then top and bottom margins are set as 15 pixel, right and left margins are set as 10 pixel. If we specify the margin property as margin 8 pixel, it means that all the four margins are set as 8 pixel.